Alright, y'all, here's my setup for today. Alright, I got my train zone marked up, and I'm just ready for this to, you know, come into my entry and then continue going, being bullish. This is my 4 hour area of interest here, but I feel like it's going to continue taking off to the top side, to be honest with you. So I just need this to come in here, boom, tap me in. This is all imbalance, so I'm expecting it to come down, balance it out, and then continue going up. Continue going up. How y'all morning is doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another episode of The Big Kahuna TV. I'm your host, The Big Kahuna. Welcome to the channel. Alright, so it's forming liquidity, right? It's building up, building up, building up until it breaks. So what I want to see is a break and then a retest and then continue going up. Because there's money sitting all up here. So, and all down here too. That's what I want to see. Mm-hmm. This is live, this is live, this is live. Alright, I'll be back if anything interesting happens. So it looks like we're coming down to my area of interest for the buy here. Come on, continue going down, baby. Come on, go. Tap me in, girl. Tap me in. Tap, tap, tap in. That's the 1 minute. What the 3 minute looking like. Yep. I just needed to tap me in, and we good. I had a setup over here, but alright, we are in, y'all. We are in on both accounts. Alright, so I had a setup here earlier, but my entry was this gap, and then my stop loss was like down here. But as you can see, it actually wicked me out, which was crazy. I should have had it down here, but then I didn't like the amount that I wanted to risk. I was risking 195, which I really didn't want to risk that much, but as you can see, I ended up getting wicked out. So now I waited for another entry to form off my 15-minute range. And this is where it's at now. Excuse me. You guys see it just triggered. I'm expecting this to probably come down some more. To be honest with you, I don't mind a little bit of drawdown. Won't hurt nobody much, you know. Maybe into this area here. All this imbalance, you know. So we'll see. Should just continue shooting up from here, to be honest. So. Mm-hmm. I'm walking out here. Excuse me, guys. I'm still trying to wake up here. It's almost New York session, so. Well, it's crazy. Yep, came down. Gotta get this stupid thing to work. So I got all this imbalance down here. Look at that. All money down here sitting. I don't know what it looks like on the next time frame below the 1 minute, but yep. There's probably a fair value gap down here somewhere off of this imbalance. Candle here, inefficiency candle on the lower time frame, but yeah, I just need this to continue going up, really. Just another negative 33, 40 bucks. Within my trading zone. Yellow lines. That says TZ is my trading zone. Remember when I was in for a buy and I was supposed to move my stop loss at break even? Well, I didn't hold that trade, you know, from yesterday. So now this is where it's retracing. It broke, came back, retraced. Oh, I'm sorry. It broke, retraced, came back up, retraced, came back up again to test it, retraced again, and then now this should be where it's going to break out to the top side and continue going up. But we'll see. We got 36 seconds left, and I'm expecting this to shoot up. This is a pre-New York session. I just need to see an engulfing green candle close to the top side, really, to be honest with you. Maybe 2 or 3 of them. You know, that green candle. I just have to break above this right here. Break above this halfway area of interest. That's what I need to see. That's what I need to see, y'all. Come on, 26 seconds left. Check out all the liquidity on top here. Oh, we good. Bam! There we go. Yes, sir. Look at that. Yes, sir. We're in there. Alright. We have a change of character now. Boom, boom. Change of character. Let's go. Oh, yes. Lovely, y'all. Lovely. Lovely. Bam, there's the retest. Let's go. Today's June 10th. Let's go. June 10th at 8:05 a.m. Y'all see the time up there. Come on, retest. That's what I want to see. Alright, there's this order block here. Right here that it looked like it kind of respected. I feel like it's going to continue going up though. So, because if I was to a fib, let me see my buy entry model here. Took out a low, came up. Created equal highs. We should be good, y'all. We should be good. Just need to come back up, break out of this right here. We Gucci, y'all. Just for this engulfing push to the top side. This is good. This is good. That shows weight. Alright. So we need another push. Come on. We need another push to the top side. Let's ride. Yeah. Baby girl. Yeah, you know you rock my world. Girl is crazy. But I'm with you, baby. Yep. Need another explosive candle to the top side. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I am loving what I'm seeing. Boom. There it is. That's the breakout area. Needs to break out of that. There we go. Oof. That thing is leaving gaps like that. Let's go. That's what I want to see. Come on. Hit that breakout area. We'll be good. Come on. You knew you can break out. And explosive count to the top side. Come on, girl. Halfway. That's all I needed was a halfway. Halfway to balance the market. Now we should be going up here. Let's go. We're looking great. Just need this to close bullish above my breakout area. Really, that's all I'm waiting for. I don't think we have any news today, so yeah. Alright, we are in this on both accounts. There we go. Bam, baby. We are there. Yes, sir. Let's go. Woo! Breakout. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let's go. She's breaking out to the top of my trading zone range. I just needed a breakout and continue going up. Retest. I'm just going with the continuation of the trend here. Okay. A quick retest to the top side. We see a broke right there. Bam. Break. Retest here. Should continue going up here. We Gucci. Oh, that's a lovely fucking... I'm sorry, that's a lovely bounce right there, y'all. Oof, that's just lovely. It should just poke out of the top. Come on, break through the top of my trading range. Oh, snaps. Accent came out there for a minute. My patois came out just for a few minutes. That's fine. I'm expecting this to retest entry anyways. Glenn is doing it early. It's fine too. Yeah, my son. Alright, y'all continue watching the show. We just need to break out of my trading zone to the top side and we good. We are good. Let's see what 830 does. We need to push up and break through the top of that trading zone. waiting for the opening bell around 8:45, I think. Should push us up to where we need to be. Bam, there we go, baby. There we go, baby. We're pushing up now. Let's go. It's gonna be another big kahuna trade, y'all. Let's get it. We're up 23 ticks. Nice. Oh yeah, we in there, y'all. We in there. Look at her go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Sheesh. All right, I'll be back.
I'm not at my desk yet.
All right.
But go for it, bro.
Sheesh. Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, man, I got it on another entry for gold, and I'm holding her till the wheels fall off. To be honest, until the market kicks me out at 3:59 p.m. I'm expecting gold to be bullish.
And just wait. I almost hit my TP.
Yeah,
I was fucking
I
that
should
last
have
high.
I should have held it from earlier today. Well, from last night really is when my trade triggered. When we were going over it earlier, and I wanted it to come back down to that certain area, and it did, and it triggered me in, and I'm like, oh snaps! I should have just targeted the area where my 4 hour area of interest. I would have still been in this trade right now. Probably been up like 2 or 3 bands to be honest with you, but I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping. So that trade, where it was at currently, I made like 500. So now I got another entry here. It was tight. This thing almost wicked me out, but I saw my buy entry model for my buys, what I look for to get in on the trade, and it was there. So everything lined up. So I placed the buy limit, and it sure did came down into it.
Yeah.
So I am now up almost $100 on both accounts. Well, one account I'm already at $155. The other one I'm almost at 100. So yeah, your boy got a second account. So I'm trading. Oh my god! Look at how bullish she is, yo.
Hit my
Dang,
TP. I'm out of there that fast.
he just bullish.
I might take another entry, but it just hit my TP.
Nice.
I was in like
Let me see
2
if I
entries.
can. Let me see if I can share my screen with y'all. Bam. Oh, come on, screen load up. There we go. Yup. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where it almost took me out, man. It almost took me
Mm-hmm.
out.
No,
But
it did take me out the first time. I had to take another entry.
yeah.
But that's because I had moved my stop up and profit right above.
Oh, okay. I see you. I see you. I see what. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay, I might have to move my stop loss. No, not yet. Not yet. I'm not gonna move it to break even. I want to see. Okay, I already broke that. What's this? What's this line here? My 15-minute? No, that's my 4-hour area of interest. God, look at her go, dude.
Mm-hmm.
She is gone. Man, I can't wait to do my lives, dog. It's gonna be crazy. I can't wait to do
That's
my
fire,
lives,
brother.
bro. Huh?
I said that's fire.
Let's see. I'm up 190, 189 on this one, and then the other one I'm up almost 300.
Should have fucking
Huh?
held that bitch from last night.
I know
Mm-hmm.
it triggered.
I should have held that bitch from last night.
It triggered, and then I was like, man, forget it. I was gonna move my stop loss all the way up here. This trade didn't trigger, but this was the trade that triggered here. This was from last night here. This one was. But everything was telling me to freaking just move my TP up to here. But I didn't, because this little small move here made me $500 this morning. And then this trade never triggered, so yeah. So now I'm waiting.
What up, twin?
Hey, yo, hold on.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Scout buy,
Damn.
right? Same areas would have never hit stop loss, and boom, bought up. And I know I didn't hold, but this is why I told you guys I want to start holding on the bigger time frame. Look at where we bought up from.
mm-hmm.
Yep, that was my
Wow.
entry.
If you
I
look
should
more
have
left, look
I should
more
have held
buying
it too.
pressure. Buying broke below, but we bought above, created support, and then now look. So I'm not holding. I'm not in. I know it shows that I'm holding or whatever, but I'm not holding. But we got opening bell here in 2 minutes. I will wait. The lower she goes, the buy entries I'm gonna try to get for the rest of the week if she continues holding. Let's see what this flower look like. That's a nice flower. We're still pushing up. So just looking at her now. Any buys to the ups? Anything low? Jumping in. We already turned this into support, so I'm gonna make that green. She still could go up higher, but if she starts to curve here to come down, as long as she respects this buy level, which is
Yeah.
between 30, 33, 31, 33, 26. It's kind of big, so I would take any entries in the middle or a light entry up here and then a deeper entry here. The stop loss here, as long as she don't break this level, I would hold it for buys up. And now if she breaks this level, then we'll wait for another level at the bottom.
Just come and fill this gap right now. About to touch the last high. Oh, I just did.
Yeah, if she comes back down, that'd be cool.
It already broken. It already broken retested. You just got to check. See if you can get a FVG in the pocket.
Yep.
I
It's
see it going upwards.
back up. It's going
Yeah,
now.
we got opening bell right now here in a minute. And then 9 o'clock, if 9 o'clock wants to do anything. Let's see. Let's see what she does. Them fucking buys is sick last night. Our level was just crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Just drops a $5 lot real quick for a breakout. I'm just kidding. Okay, knowing that there's a level that it needs to come hit, I almost wanted to buy right here because I was like 42.51 up. That's 90 pips, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait.
Remember what I told you when we started training together?
What?
No position, still a position. That's way too high, bro.
Oh yeah, I know. That's why I was. It's in my sell zone. Look, this is areas where I would want to look for sales or hourly. You know, break above and then we come in curve. You know, like this, and we come back and respect it. So yeah, I mean, on the 5 minute time frame, yeah, that would have been a quick. Not even 42 to 20 pips. I wouldn't have risked that. Maybe
Yeah,
I don't know. We'll see. But no, I would want it to come lower first and then get us back up.
definitely.
Yeah, she's gone, y'all. She's about to take off to the moon.
Watch out. Hey, yo, heads up, guys. I don't know if y'all saw, but I did leave my homies chat this morning.
Who?
I left that Go chat.
What gold chat?
The Go chat I was talking about last night.
The irrelevant one, bro.
Oh, okay. I thought this was the only gold chat.
Well, no, I was testing them out too, but
Oh, word.
I don't.
Oh,
Those
okay.
fools ain't humble. I don't know what the fuck's up.
If you look at the 1 in the 5 minute time frame on Nas, it does it over and over and over again. That one will give you at least a good clean, like 5-7 setups like that a day.
That's gross. I just want one setup a day is cool
Well, you remember whenever you and I met on the TDT chat?
for me. I wouldn't even say I trade different. I just like to hit one go and yeah. Huh?
You remember whenever you and I met on the TDT chat?
Yeah.
Me and Corey were the only ones trading Nas like that.
Turn right.
Crazy.
Then.
What happened to that, boys? You still there?
Who?
Corey.
I don't know. Homeboy deleted a whole bunch of people from the group. There was 160 people. Now there's only 130.
Oh shit. Well, I know Corey was trading Nas pretty fucking good. It's just everybody would down on him because he didn't trade strictly TSK.
Oh yeah.
Just like
See, I
I
don't
did.
like when people do that either. When they say like you can't trade that way or whatever. I haven't had those issues though. Everybody seems to like the way that I trade on there. I'm just trying to chill, bro. I'm just trying to trade. That's all I'm trying to do.
Trade and chill. That's why I got the podcast. Trading and chilling. I need to freaking start it up again.
And John would be he said,
Oh, you're
she'll do
recording
the
this, right, bro?
trades.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. You didn't get me talking earlier, did you?
No.
Okay, cool. Well, we did just cut that out. Anyways, we're back to trading. Just be careful. Gordon is recording.
Mm.
Start selling gold at. Now I want her to come down a little bit. I want to see something.
That zone you got right there, is that a 1 hour area?
That's what I want to see. No, it's a 5 minute.
No, I know, but your red lines, is that in like
Off my 1 hour,
point
yeah.
of interest?
My 1 hour. This is looking for sales or looking for push up, and then come back down and play around, and then go up.
Okay, I can see that exactly what you just drew.
Yeah, I wanted to come back and play around here, respecting these lows. Just catch more buyers. It sells out. It's gonna take out these buyers, and then possibly take out these stop loss in profit, and then continue going up.
I like this area.
That's all I did here. We got we got our manipulating right here. Our spring candle. All it did was come back to our spring last buy area.
Yeah, that was just a test.
Yeah, that was that was the reaccumulation that I was waiting for.
That was a test. This is the reaccumulation.
I wish I jumped right before I fell asleep. I saw this happen. I was like, man, I want to jump in even on a 0.30, which I should have, because that's 33.03 to 33.40 4, that's over 400 pips right there. And all
Yeah.
we had was a fucking 20 pip stop loss, gang.
Mm-hmm. Now I don't know what happened on
The
mine
net-
because I trade with TradeX as well. I showed John. It triggered me in and it closed me out like a point higher. I don't know what the hell's going on. I gotta contact support. That's twice in 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, I didn't. You know, TradeX kind of confuses me with their profit or whatever, because it showed me yesterday that I was up 500, so I had closed out a couple entries, right? And then
Mhm.
when I closed out, it only said I was up 300. I was like, what the fuck? So that's when I put an extra entry again. I think here, and pushed up to give me that 500 because I was like, what the fuck? There's no way that should have happened. Like
Spread maybe.
absolutely
I
no
mean,
way. I even went
swap
to
fee.
that. I went
Swap
to
fee.
that the commission or whatever, and it only takes out $2-3. It's not. It wasn't over 200.
That's weird.
Yeah, because I was like, I would have been done in that first movement, but the second movement is what had to get me in to get above that 500. And I was only, if this was 70 pips, this was only like 30, 40. And I don't like that when it starts counting different, you know?
Mm-hmm.
This 15 minute looks like we're starting to use momentum here.
To come down.
Yeah.
Cricket.
Remember whenever you were looking at Nas a minute ago?
Sorry?
Remember when you were looking at Nas a minute ago? That big old blast off that it did?
Yeah, what did it do? Went back down?
Remember I told you it was going to retrace a little bit?
Yeah.
That's that spike. It spikes like that every morning.
Should we take an sell at that? Yeah, I know. That's why I don't like her.
You just got to be careful. You're not going to be able to throw a big ass lot like you usually do.
Yeah, not even just that. We still didn't break structure, so they're buying off this key level until it breaks. But you could sell here, stop loss here, and see what it does.
I would wait for it to clear that bottom liquidity and then get into a re-entry. That's the safer bet with Nas.
Yeah.
It might not give it to you though. That whole moves too quick.
Oh, no shit.
Okay, it did catch a fire sell.
Like, I want to sell so bad, just looking at the candles. I'm gonna get away from her before I want to jump in.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, let me get away from her. Ugh. Come on, gold. Give us some. Hey, sis, how did your USD CAD go? Whatever that bitch do.
She's doing good. She started to accumulate, and then right now she's in a sell area, but it's not like I'm just observing the trade. Like it's like I didn't take profits. Like I'm just observing the trade because yeah, I'm just testing it out.
I got you.
Yeah.
Do you trade USD CAD often?
There you go.
Yeah, I stopped and then I started back again. It's just like the only times where it really shows you volatility is like New York opening, London session, sometimes Tokyo. Yeah.
Yeah, that one I usually got my good moves around New York. I'll start charting it on the weekends again. Well, I saw the trade that you were trying to get in. It looked really smooth.
Yeah.
I kind of want to take sales here and write it down for the pullback.
Is it showing any sign of reversing yet?
Hell no.
Don't try to catch a falling knife, bro. Just give it a little bit. Let it curve a little bit.
No, yeah, no, for sure. But I'm saying, like, as long as we don't break above here, if we start getting some curves, I wouldn't mind taking the sell down.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Train on the 1 minute.
You're trading on the 1 minute? I'm watching it too on my broker.
It's about to come down now a little bit. It already did that move. You're drawing out, Marissa.
Which one?
This
This one?
Yeah,
Yeah. That's why I think she can still go up, but
yeah.
we're losing. I would
I'll
I
check
shouldn't say
out the
we're losing
momentum
momentum here,
spikes.
but just based off these candles, we're coming up from. Huh?
I'm checking the momentum spikes right now to see if it's pushing still or not.
Because we still got 33.51 that it could hit. That's 50 pips from where it's at right now. I just don't want to, it's just so high. I don't want to jump in unless we create this as a support. Cool, we can write it up to
It's coming down
this
now.
level. But it'd be a tight stop loss.
And the volume's pushing upwards, honestly.
Yeah,
And it's positive volume too
if
going up.
we do this, we're risking 10 pips to get 50 or 60 just based off this zone, but we'll see what she does. I don't want to get trapped right here and then she fucking push down. So
Well, it's outside of the trap candle.
Continue straight.
If anything, it's gonna go push up into a trap candle. If you look left,
What's a trap candle?
the trap candle is pretty much just the last leg that's holding up. It's like a mitigation block.
here?
Yeah,
Wait, what?
it's a mitigation block. A trap candle pretty much is what holds up structure on the opposite side of the.
Oh, like the institutional candle. You guys
Yeah.
call it something different. Okay, never mind. Okay, perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Simon.
So yeah, so you're saying, Abel, since it's institutional candle, you're expecting a reversal?
No, I'm expecting a reaction.
Okay.
I never really
I
tried.
legit want to start jumping in, gang. I ain't even gonna cap. I want to. I'm gonna wait. We got 10 minutes left.
I usually really don't look for like continuations or reversals. I check for it to get to a certain level, and then I look at the reaction it's doing on the lower time frames.
Okay.
Fact. She's still in my cell
We only got 20
zone,
minutes.
so just wait if anything.
Pretty much trade like Marissa, just different. I'm more like I look more at schematics and stuff like that. She's one of the best price action readers I've ever seen, honestly.
Oh, thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
Aww.
I know Stab, you're gonna be the first man to make me blush.
The GOAT.
I'm the chicken.
Got price action right where it's at. I'm trying to come down a little bit.
I low-key really want to jump in. I'm not even gonna hold y'all.
Yeah, it's holding this.
I wanted to respect this. If she respects it, I'm.
It is. It's respecting her. Respect it like that. Might jump into him just a little.
Yeah, man, I just need gold to continue going up, and we good.
I want to see a Bible on the open.
We got a new hour, 9 o'clock.
Where's the open candle?
What's open candle?
New York Open.
The 9:30 open candle.
This was 8.
8.
Yeah.
Right there, sis. It's before
this.
Mm-hmm.
I forget you guys are an hour behind.
Where are you at?
On Eastern.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So what about you?
He's in Texas with me. He's just up north.
Mm.
Oh, I apologize. I didn't know you were talking to me.
He's CST.
Yeah, I live like 15 minutes from Dallas.
Mm.
I low key do want to jump. Let's see what this one. I want to see this woman does. I like want to get some entries right here, but I don't want her to pop lower. That would be. Oh no, it's only 30 pips. I'm getting a light entry gain. Not even going cap.
Go for it, G.
Some slight. These entries, I want to see if she comes back. I'll just probably do this though. I may hold it though, because it's a light entry. I really want her to come back down here. This should be cool. But if she gives it to us where she's at now, that's cool too. There she goes. Only 1 minute. Trade at your own risk, please.
This is not financial advice.
Yup.
TP at 35.52. Oh shit. Why is it?
No financial advice. Period.
You need to put a little disclaimer, bro. Trading with your own money involves risk.
Nope.
That's why you trade with the
Facts.
prop firm's
Yeah,
money.
no facts. And use that withdrawals to fund your live account. I just want one more pop and then she can sell off. One more pop.
I don't like the price action in that area. That's the only thing. That's why I didn't pop an entry with you.
You good, brother. I'm going off the 1 minute and the 5. Just this area right here.
Mm-hmm.
Because instead of giving consolidation, she should have dropped or she can push up. With us giving us no momentum to push, we should pop up one more time and then sell off. So it'd be something quick.
I feel like it's trying to make its mind up right there.
Yeah, it's in a that pop up one more time before sell.
I can see a buy to sell for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was really confident in that move, like going upwards, but that price is so choppy in that area.
So I said as long as don't sell below that, which looks like she's doing now. Dang, on TradeX it's faster than my
There you go.
fucking,
You see?
yeah, I was like, she's faster on TradeX than it is on TradingView.
Do you pay for TradingView?
Hell no.
That's why.
Cheap as hell, bro.
No, that's why. Because whenever you don't pay for TradingView, it's like I don't know if it's 1 or 2 second intervals that update to that. And TradeX has to be fluent. Has to show you price action as it's going. It's a requirement for most prop firms, honestly.
She's at my entry. Oh, she put down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we might be waiting for this. Oh, we'll see if she breaks below this and we turn to a sell.
Yeah, because you got a whole curve right there going downwards now.
Yeah, we have this. Even on the 5 minute, look at this 5 minute. Which we did want that. We'll see what she does. We got this imbalance right here too.
Mm-hmm. See, but the 5 minute's not breaking that the order block at least. That's why, yeah, as long as the 1 minute keeps pushing down, but it doesn't break on the 5 minute, it should go back up.
Yeah.
I'm popping in an entry. I'm tired of being left out.
I jumped in the actual entry too. My stop loss for this bad boy is gonna be right underneath here. As long as she don't come in. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still holding this bad boy. It was a light entry, but if she comes lower, I'm gonna take her up because I don't wanna hold that. Got clock in 1 minute. Let's see what she does. Oh, shit. A strong 5 minute candle. On TradeX it's showing, not on the other one. So 5 minute close. I don't like that game. I don't like that 5 minute close. Let's see what she does right here.
Take the exit on the right.
Shit. I'll go down to the 15 second and see if it's reaccumulating.
What?
Yeah, check that out.
$15 seconds.
That's what I said. But yeah, go with it.
It's a distribution.
That's nasty.
It's not confirmed though. Yep, it's gonna tap SL.
Ah, fuck.
Yeah, I distributed on the 15 second.
Yeah, I'm out of that. Disregard this whole shit.
Can't even do nothing right now because I'm driving.
You know what's crazy is we still in profit from last week.
I'm gonna hold it just because there's a mitigation sound on the left where it's stopping, but most likely it's gonna hit stop loss.
Yeah, no, I already took out. I closed my shit. I'm not playing with that.
I am.
You're going in for a buy still?
No, I'm just gonna keep my buy open.
Oh, okay. Where's your stop loss at?
33.40. It's like literally right there.
Hour candle. I would just open up bears.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
out.
yeah. We'll see how this.
Fuck.
I'm out.
Woosah.
Turn left.
I'm pulling over. Fuck, I'm pulling over. I'm pulling over.
You good, bro?
Yeah, oh man. Oh, okay.
What happened? She came out to your.
Came back to my entry.
You're gonna rebuy or what?
Y'all know.
I'm rebuying.
If she keeps above this, I'll take the buys with y'all. But I'm waiting.
I'm holding.
I'm rebuying as soon as it gives me a sign that it's gonna reaccumulate right there. I'm still on the 15 second chart.
Fuck, man, I was deep in profits. I was driving.
That's at 9 o'clock for you, bro.
Somebody called Powell and told him to dump it real quick. They need to get John out.
Like that. Bro, there's no parking here. What the hell? I'm about to park this damn van right here, too. I'll go 0 fucks right now. Parking it right in here. Yeah, in the Washington area. Ain't no parking. I ain't waiting. Uh, 95312.
Coming down now to that 33, 35 area.
Oh man, I just needed to bounce. Continue going up. That's on my entry. Fuck, man.
Yeah, I want her to come target these highs again. Let's see what she can give us some curve over here.
I'm buying. It's a risky entry, so take
We
it.
buying? Is that what we're doing?
I'm gonna buy it.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, it's reaccumulating. Let's
It's
go.
reaccumulating on the 15-second.
Should reverse about 4 minutes.
Actually, who am I buy then, right?
Ooh,
Oh, that's lovely. Let's fucking go.
yeah.
Oh, look at her go.
I jumped in with you guys. What would be y'all's stop loss on here? Because I'm going off of y'all's.
Right
I'm going
under
off
the
of the
wick.
zone, but
Right under the wick.
Oh,
damn.
finish too.
That accumulation on the 15-second was disgusting.
Nasty.
Oh shit.
I saw that hammer with all the volume.
Yeah.
I knew it was coming back up.
We just need her to close above 5-minute close. As long as she stays above this, we'll be straight. Start curving, baby. Start curving. Minute. Still right there. 5-minute. She can still give us a curve. If she breaks below this zone, she's gonna come back down here, and then I'll wait for that one. Or I may call it. I'm not gonna take too little L's. I'm playing with last night's money, so.
Yeah, me too.
But if this trade hits, we make more money.
There you go.
More money, more problems.
Volume decreased into positive volume, so it should. Textbook, it should push up now.
All right, cool. I mean, that's
But
what this shit normally does. Like, it'll go up, hit a freaking level, and then come back and retest the entry just to shoot back up again. So, I'm glad I didn't move my entry to break
Yeah,
even.
remember the hour candle was bullish, so this next hour candle pushed us down. So it's probably coming and catching more buyers to then continue going upward. Hopefully.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because my stop loss is at that wick also.
Which wick?
The wick that you guys have y'all stop loss at?
The last
Yeah.
one.
I only risk 50 on this one.
Yeah, I risked $100 off of that first move.
Risking 20.
Hey, we win together, we lose together.
Yep.
Can't win them all. That's the one thing I like about our group, because none of us all soft when we lose. We lose some.
It is
I just
what
don't
it
want
is.
her
It's
to make
part
this
of
as a resistance.
It's part of the game, bro.
Hello.
Oh, you see that shit?
When it's
Damn.
fast, it don't last.
I knew it had to come down and touch this trend line, and it did. Now it's waking back up.
Yeah, let's see what she does. I'm still holding low key unless she closes below. It's only 30 pips negative right now.
It's pushing negative volume like
Uh-huh.
crazy right now.
It's that sell zone, bro.
Mm-hmm. No, it's pushing negative volume like crazy up. I'm not gonna look for no more buys. I think that just flipped my buys.
See if this candle close above this trend line. It had to come down to the last low at
Just rest another 100.
35 area, and it did.
Well, it just cleared liquidity also on the left side. I didn't see those equal lows.
Yeah.
Just depends on how it closes up there.